over in his corner, then I'll just leave it there. What do you think, dude?
Lost a kitty cat?
Yeah, just making sure he doesn't jump over. Oh, hey, Rich and Violet, hey.
Hey. How's it going?
Oh, doing okay. Glad to be home.
Yeah.
Not raining today.
For the day.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Got a lot of rain lately.
Yeah. Has it messed up the operation
Not much.
or no?
But how are your knees doing?
My knees are awesome.
That's great.
Yeah, they're doing good.
Good.
They're pain free and everything's moving like it's supposed to. So.
Well, that's great.
Yeah, it is. Anxious to get out and do some bike riding.
Oh yeah, that would be fun.
Do some riding. I've never been a runner like yourself, but I like to ride the bike quite a bit.
Oh, nice. That's easier on the knees. Yeah.
Well, it is for me.
Yeah. All right. Well, have a good walk.
Bye, kitty cat.
Bye. Say goodbye. Now there goes Rich and Violet. See? You can be nice. Hey, that's Rich and Violet. What's up, baby? Don't jump over the fence. Noah Bean, come here. Come here. Why don't we snuggle? Why don't we snuggle? Yeah, welcome to Noah's Corner. That's very cute. Where are you going?